having breakfast on this Thursday morning. Well, he's having breakfast anyway. Haha. I've gone to work, so I'm waiting for him to finish his breakfast, and then he's gonna go down for his Sparkle Tots childcare. Then I got stuff to do, mostly at home. Too near. Bye bye.
Bye.
See you later.
See you later.
Figured I should have breakfast too. So dua makan. Yeah, so I'm home now. We got a bit of a treat. I received these from Grab Rewards. I didn't buy anything. I didn't like exchange any points or whatever, but I got this last night. I didn't want to open it until I could record it, which is now. So let's see what's inside. Just throw it open. What's this? It's like a phone case cover. Promo code Grab Pass. What is this, man? What is this? Right. So, date of first Grab ride, October 23rd, 2015. I've taken 481 rides. I've traveled about 5,000 kilometers. That's a lot. Equivalent from traveling from Los Angeles to Barcelona. Okay, cool. JG, what the hell's that? What's all these vessels thing here? Alright. So what's this? Went from 1st July 2017 to 30th June 2018. Promo code is Grab Pass. I don't understand what this is. Says on top here, Platinum Grab Pass holder. I'm not sure what this is, but what is this? So terms and conditions, the promo code Grab Pass is valid for 20 trips to and from the following airport. So if I go to an airport, for example, if I take from an airport in Singapore, then I got $5 off from Changi Airport, any Grab ride, that's cool. So any airport, Malaysia, KLIA, oh, this is cool. It's valid till next year, June. It's only available to select customers, of course, those with this. Okay, that's nice. Now, what the hell is this, man? What's this? So I took it out. It looks like it's a passport cover, if based on this Grab Pass thing. So this should be a passport cover. It's kind of cool. I don't know what these are for though. It's like you can put a pen there or something. I don't know. See what this is. Yeah. Is that like a what's this? What's this? What's that supposed to be? I don't know. I don't know. What's am I supposed to wear this? Honestly, I can't figure it out. You see, because if I'm supposed to wear this, right? There's only one slot for the arm. I don't know if you can see this. Look, there's only like one slot for the arm, right? There's no arm slot on the other side. So, alright, I can't. I don't know what this is. If you guys know what this is, please leave a comment in the comment section below what I'm supposed to do with this. Right? You can see it. Hopefully there's some there's a zipper in the bottom. There's these clips. I don't know what this is for. The zipper at the bottom, supposed to zip up stuff. Oh, it's not zipping up now. I've spoiled it. Oh no, I haven't spoiled it. It's just there you go. There's a zipper at the bottom. Honestly, I have no idea what this is for, but thanks Grab for giving me the promo code and a new passport cover. It's in the color I like. And this. Thanks. And now I have to go and edit my videos, play some games. After that, play some games. It's the light. Alright, just finished editing one video. I got 2 more to edit. I also want to level up my monk on World of Warcraft, but I don't think that's gonna happen today. Maybe I'll get half an hour in or something, finish one quest or something. We'll see, but I'm hungry now, so I'm gonna cook some Maggi, but in a different way. So my wife taught me how to do this. The Maggi tastes better if you cook it like this, rather than you just put hot water and then you leave it for 2 minutes. So you put some water in the pan, right? You heat it up until it's a bit like, it's a bit hot enough. And then you put your Maggi. It's like, I usually need 2 of these. I think they're hot enough. I think it's hot enough. So, yeah, so you put, in there. My wife usually tells me to like wait until it's boiling, but so the water's boiling. You break up the noodles. Make sure they're all like in touch with the water, I guess. Turn it around or something. At this point, you can add the rempah. We call it in Malay rempah. It's the whatever it is that gives it the curry thingy. I'll let it settle for a bit. I don't like too much water. It's very fast. It's almost done. I think it's done. You pour everything into the plate, and it looks amazing. Right? Looks amazing. That's my lunch for today, guys. And that's how you prepare Maggi noodles, according to my wife, anyway. So. And that concludes the first episode of Cooking with Azarius. Didn't think you'd be watching a cooking show now, did you? With the food, done with the food. Now I gotta get back to editing and hopefully get some leveling done for my monk. I'll talk about my monk later. I picked my son up. There. I'm gonna bring him. Gonna bring him to the polyclinic because he's got skin issues. I'm gonna go to the polyclinic. We're gonna go see what they say, and then try to get a referral. Crucial to get a referral. We'll probably get a referral. Yeah, there's a slight problem. It's raining, guys. Not that heavy, but it's raining. I'm so worried, but there's that area where it's not sheltered. Between Pampas 1 and the polyclinic itself, it's not sheltered, so you gotta maneuver that. That is what I'm talking about. This is the best time to see whether he can handle an umbrella. Looks like he can handle an umbrella. So most of the clinics here in the Sengkang Polyclinic, they're all on the 2nd floor. Our number is 5354, right? 5354. Actually, my wife already registered us online, so I'm not sure whether we're supposed to wait here or near the crying area. Decided to move here.
Segan.
Yeah, Sengkang. Decided to move here. I think we're supposed to wait here. We've reached home. $9 for like his stash of medication for his thing. Where we had, in case you guys wanna, that's all for today. Like we're done. We're done for today. That's all. Peace out, guys. We're done.